See, me, what I'm expecting for them is they should allow everywhere open. Oh. You understand? Because you are tired of the lockdown. You get it?
Ẹ kàn sílẹ̀ o, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ kàn sílẹ̀ pátápátá, kẹ́bìtì wà in order bó ṣe wà tẹ́lẹ̀, kàn sílẹ̀, kò sí nǹkan kan pa. Kí ṣé bí kéèmí máa pa wá ni? Ebi kò pay wa o, tán close ní tán resume 6 hours, ṣé ó pay ni? Kò pay na.
Kí ni quarantine ti kọ yín?
Kí ló kọ́ wa? Ó train wa.
For Africa, disease no dey kill African man. See Jedi na, go that gate you go see Jedi, anywhere Joshua you go see Jedi. Na hungry dey kill African man when you no see wetin he go chop. He go die, if he no die, if he go thief, dem go beat and kill am. Make dem leave everybody, make everybody go back to im own business. We know say dem no send us, we sef we no send dem. Make dem dey. Make dem just leave us, make dem give us that independent as a wey dem tell us say na democracy we dey, make dem give us that democratic independence.
The state governor imposes curfew on us, say we should be doing one day off, one day on. Even by Monday, the market is going to open, they will pursue us by 3 o'clock. It's not done. People are suffering, no palliatives.
To extend the lockdown is of no use right now because due to what people are saying, that the way the things keep increasing is not that they are doing a wayo. That is not real for what is going on now because the thing keep increasing every day, especially in Lagos. That the thing keep increasing every day. But we don't pray that they should bring another lockdown because I know what I myself I went through during this lockdown period. So I don't pray that they should bring it. Either they cancel everything and they just keep some restriction that we should face, like the distance, the face mask, everything. That's what I want. I don't want him to lock down again.
For my mind, Buhari go cancel the lockdown. Everything go start normal.
I know if you stand down, I will say make everybody go. I know see everybody catch corona now. From my area, no corona. From everywhere, no corona now.
So I won't deceive you. This thing is a full scam. So they should release us. Let us go back to our work. So everybody have a lot of things to do. They are not feeding us. So we are feeding ourselves. So let them release us.
Well, for me, I think the policy trust that have been put in place by the government collectively, both at the federal and state level, regarding this COVID-19, I can only rate it, give it a 35% mark. It has not really worked because of the kind of people that we are. Our culture, tradition is making nonsense of the whole process. Government may mean well, but if the resultant effect of what we want to achieve is even going to get worse, I think it's better for now for them to just work towards accelerating at least whatever kind of drug that they can advise people to take at their various homes if they have a particular symptom.
The government has the final say. Despite whatever thing the masses might say, are you getting my point? The government have the final say. Whatever thing they decide, I think they are the one who has the best interest of the masses.
Real, it's true that what they are saying about COVID-19, we all know is real in the world, but in Africa, it's not spread and spread as it is. It's just like a malaria symptom. So there's no need of the government increasing it. What's best is just for them to let everybody to go back to their normal activities and make sure that, because if you look at the year, this year has already run out. A lot of businessmen are running out of sales. You can see, it's not by our leaders to be deceiving us, rather than to telling us that there's COVID-19, using our money to buy out, say they're building installation center. You understand? What we want is that they should allow everybody to go back to his or his business. Normally, you see today, Saturday, that somebody that as a businessman, you are supposed to make your business and make your business and calculate your strategy and your want and know what you want to use in your house for weekend. There's nothing. So the government, there is no way the government are supporting us, rather they are helping the masses than they are saying that if the lockdown is, if they should say the lockdown should continue, what do they want the masses to feed on? Is it by going to steal from one another? It's not even preferable because the 1 day on is just 5 hours. A lot of people who, if you are coming from Ogun State, let me say from Ibadan to Lagos State, imagine the hold up in Shagam. You beat up to 3 hours before you get to this place. What do you want to come and do? Can you use 1 hour to transact your business? Anybody, if your customer come and he did not find you, go to somebody else. So how the government want you to exist with that kind of condition? They should stop conditioning us. We all know they have collected money, they have looted us, they have fraud us, they have used us as a symbol of debt to the world. They should allow us to go back to our business. Let's face our cross. Already in Nigeria, we know the government, our culture, we are not used to our government in favoring us. We are not used to our, because our government have been backed by us. We were talking of Abacha in the time of military, but if you can see now, the democratic era, we are crying that Buhari, a old man, a grandfather, who will come and restore Nigeria from pain and tears, to, you know, to just restore our problem and put us in a real democratic shape. Now, even the fraud, if you look at the corruption they are fighting, it's even worse than now. Because every day what you hear in the paper and news is they want to borrow money, they want to borrow money. When there was a coronavirus, a lot of countries gave Nigeria money. Even World Health Organization, America, other people brought money just to satisfy, to make sure everybody stay at home. But it's only Nigeria where you see they'll go and bring rice that customers keep for more than 15 years. Is that no more than virus? It's too obvious. Is that, in fact, when I look at where they were splitting the rice to some group of people, that is the rice killing them in Kanu. Bad food. Bad food. Our leader does not care for us, so they should forget about us. They should allow us to go to our business. Especially in the southwest here, where there is Agbo Jedi, there is everything. How can you feel coronavirus? If you go to Yasene, you drink correct Agbo. If no matter the malaria, it will run away. They should allow us. They should stop deceiving us that they are fighting coronavirus, collecting money. I'm ashamed. Even Sanwo-Olu, the Lagos State governor, is one of the people that protest. When Obama was a president that was campaigning for Trump, he was protesting in America. He was the front man. And with this kind of installation, he has nothing to say. Rather, they gave him money to just smuggle it to his pocket. It's very bad. We Lagosians are hungry. We are suffered. We are tired. They should allow us to go. We are not used to our government to help us. We don't want the help from our. They should allow us to go back to our various businesses and let's do our business. And like somebody like me, I can't go to local government or state to look for work. I'm a businessman. I'm a merchander. I'm into buying and selling. Since this coronavirus, I can't buy, I can't sell. And the little goose, imagine a government that you people are protesting for the people. The little goods that came to Nako Cargo, look at the demurrage they are giving to importers. Look at the demurrage and the goods, and it makes the price of this thing go so high. And there is no provision for our people over here. Is this somebody who is working and want to go and buy phone for 75,000? A civil servant? Everything is being shut down. The government should be fair. This APC are not fair. They are not fair to the masses at all. Buhari is not fair to us at all. With all the voters they gave him, with all the cry has been crying to all Nigerians that anytime he lose election, he will be crying that he pity Nigerians, that is very, very sorry. We all look at him now, we will not decide to favor him. We all fall into well. It's too bad. At least the World Political Organization Democratic Room, they should look into Nigerians' problem very well. We have a very big problem. We don't have a leader because our leader is being controlled by some group of men. Imagine in a country like Nigeria, the giant of Africa, other Africa, small country that has not up to us, they are laughing at us. Just look at what happened, this COVID-19. Can you imagine, let me say if the world should shut down for 6 months, you want to tell me Nigerian government cannot be able to feed the masses? They say they want to go and be feeding children in primary school from primary 1. Imagine what a government in a giant of Africa in a democratic art saying. Please, you people should help us to talk to that man. If he's tired of ruling us, let him step down. We all know our Senate is corrupt because they have collected money from the United Nations. They don't want us to say. They want us to cover our mouth and cover our nose so that we will not be able to say our mind. But I am going to say my mind as a sound Aluta comrade that they are all thieves. They are all thieves. All the senators are thieves because they are not fighting for their consequences. They are fighting for their pockets. In a situation like this, a senator should come out and speak for his people. There is hungry in my land, but they have collected money, foreign currency. They have gone to quarantine themselves in the island. Why the people are dying? Tomorrow they will tell us to vote for them. I regret why I voted for this country. After this election, I will vote no more because I know Nigeria have no government. We are all being punished under fake dramatical error people. Are you getting me? I'm not afraid of anybody. I'm telling you my state of mind. This government is over being corrupt. They are fighting corruption and they are the most corrupt government. Because all the money they are collecting, when they started the 4 years, EFCC was burgling everybody. Collecting money. Where is the money? Where is that money? Why can't they bring that money to installate Nigerians? The money they collected from politicians, that there is a corrupt money. The one they said they collected from Sokaway. The one they said they collected from uncompleted building. Where is the money? They have splitted the money to their pockets and Nigerians are dying. They are inflating us to die. They are forcing us to cover our mouth. Don't you know if you don't breathe, you will die? So our government will shop, they should stop politicking us. They are just too in-democrat. Are you getting it? We are still in a military regime. Now Buhari has come to become a full general. Before he was not a general, now he has become a general. But thank God, it's not his father's house. He will go to his house one day. And maybe he will be the first democratic president that will go to jail. Because our eyes has opened. Nigerians have all seen. We don't see our eye don't open. Our eye don't open. These people are big jaguda. Our eye don't open. They don't do anything for us. Small time now, you go see say police go come here, they catch people. For America, if you don't get face mask, American police go give you face mask, give you hand glove. For Nigeria, you go pay 5,000 for area F. Fake country, fake policy, fake government. Fela, may your still rest in peace. Fela Anikulapo Kuti, the man that see tomorrow before today. He has told us before, 1987, when Buhari was a president, we never believe. But now, we believe. We believe. Fela, may so rest in peace. Our government, our leaders, they have put in all of us into koko. Owó kolo ni wọ́n fi kó wa jẹ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Sanwó-Olu, God, they no help us. They no show love, they no show anything. They use police, they pursue people. Police still they collect money from people where they suffer. Task force go come here, they go pack like 15 bus. motor wey dey carry passenger dem go park all of them. Dem go chop stone. Dem go thief. Small time dem go say 1 million boys. You no know say na hungry be 1 million boys? When the government are not polite to the masses, what are you expecting when somebody is hungry? If you are hungry, you are more than a madman. And our government are just polite. What they will say, they say commissioner of police, go and catch all of them, fire all of them, kill all of them. He will go. Very soon you see police, they will come and started chasing people, collecting money. It's a fucking hell of shit. Our government is not polite. They are not democrat to the masses at all.
We are working 1 day on 1 day off. It did not really pay us, but due to everything, we have to comply. It gets me. But the issue is, I always tell people that if I'm in the shoes of the government or people that are making order, this 1 day on 1 day off is even worse. Why? That 1 day work that people are coming out, many people do rush because they only have that day to work. And the day itself is not complete. Like market here where we do work, we open 9, we close 2:33. So you see the kind of rush and the kind of pleasure people are on. So if I'm to, my own opinion is, let it be everyday work, but that 5 hours. You see people will not be rushing like that. Everybody will feel relaxed that yes, even though today is lockdown, tomorrow I can still go out so time and get what I want. But saying 1 day on 1 day off, it doesn't make any sense. Like seriously. Because let's say yesterday the market open, or on Monday the market will open. Come and see the crowd of population that will be at the gate. We don't even observe the social distance anymore because everybody is rushing to meet up. You get it? So if they can do it everyday work, but let it be that 5 hours. So everybody will shuffle himself and at least things will go well.
May they just give us that democratic independence. We don't need them. We know say they no care for us. We self will not send them. All man for himself, now Nigerian government, they no wahala. May they let us go back to our business. Don't be say you go come 5 hours. What do you want to do? You be juju man. How you want to meet up? At the verse, so
We don't expect such. We in Nigeria, especially Lagos State, we Lagosians, we don't expect such. Lockdown again, when we are suffering, when the masses are suffering. What's the meaning of the lockdown? Buhari imposed lockdown on all the states. Are people collaborating with it? It's not done. How should they be locking all us down? We have been on total lockdown for 34 days in this Lagos. After then, there is nobody giving to us. There was a time we have been told say they're going to give us some things to manage ourselves. They can't do it. Our federal government is not ready to us. They don't feel us. They don't feel with the masses, with the poor.
Based on my observation, I think he's going to check the update on the increase in number of the people that are infected. If the number tends to reduce, I guess he has no choice than to cancel the lockdown because it's really affecting a lot of things. So we just hope he cancel the lockdown because I've been at home. No school, no work, no money. So I'm a student. I've been at home for like 2-3 months now. This will be the 3rd month, probably.
Well, if I am Buhari, it depends how I see the situation in Nigeria. Are you getting my point? If shutting down is going to affect the economy so badly, more than as it was before, I think I will apply some caution. Are you getting my point? Some particular set of offices will open while the marketplace has to be shut down totally. Because that is where you can get high volume of this coronavirus contact.
If you now, today now, you say you don't see 120 corona for this Lagos State. Where is here? Say now, I get a motion. I don't know.
Corona exists for now. Is existing. Okay. I'm not doubting that. But we work on our safety. So everybody know how to safeguard his or herself. So as for now, nobody is feeding anybody. The country is very hard, so let them release us. So we, by God's grace, we sort things out by ourselves.
Let everything be free, because what is happening now is that you are making money for some group of people at this time, and you are impoverishing some other people. it's an unfortunate situation. So I think the president in his wisdom should look at it, gather his lieutenant together, and then I think the best thing for now is it may not be a total relaxation, but they should soften the realization again further. Maybe reduce the curfew and allow people maybe till 11 o'clock and let them open the market, because even closing of the market is even endangering the people more, because everybody rushing at the same time, everybody want to rush out. And what you see at that time is that you now have gathering of people. So for me, it's not the best thing to do. I think they should relax them and allow people to go normal. I think they should now intensify the awareness campaign.
We sure hope you enjoyed this video. For more entertaining video content such as behind the scenes of music videos and movies, music concerts, premieres, interviews, and exclusive gists, subscribe now to our YouTube channel Goldmine TV and be unleashed into a world of super excitement.